All right, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the video. I went out today and I picked up myself one of the Oculus Quest 2 VR headsets and also the Oculus Link cable. And I thought I'd do an unboxing video for everybody to see what this thing looks like. So I did already take the wrapper off, but that is it. So it's a pretty nice box. The box itself, if we look here, you can see that tells you how many gigabytes the unit has. Let you know it's in the box. It says we are supposed to get the VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and a charging cable. And then on the back, this has some nice color eye candy for us for some of the games that are available. Says next level hardware, blazing fast processor and ultra realistic graphics put you in the center of the action. Easy setup, open the box, jump right into VR, no PC, consoles, wire, or external sensors needed. And it says it's backward compatible. Blast, slash, and spin your way through the Oculus Quest content library. Of note, it does require a Facebook account to use the Oculus software, essentially. So be aware of that. If you have any objections to Facebook, that's going to be probably a no-go for you. That's it. The bottom just has your normal information on, stuff that you're really never interested in. So let me take this out of the box here. So we take the cover off the box, and wow, this is a pretty nice box. Open it up. That is pretty nice. So turn this around so you guys can see what's in here. So the box itself, you can see the hinge here, the way the door is weighted. It's pretty cool. Of course, we got the headset, the 2 controllers, and this box, I'm assuming, has the charger and such in it. So there's also this little black, if I can get that out, I'll take that out with the headset. So the headset will pull out here. This is the glasses spacer, so if you wear glasses you can use this. Helps to try to give you a little more room in the mask, so that there's a better chance that your eyes, or I should say your glasses, will be away from the lenses instead of bumping into them. Or at least that's my understanding. I don't wear glasses, but that's what I understand what they're supposed to do. We have the 2 controllers, and of course the box of goodies. So that is a really nice made box. It's pretty impressive. Not sure how much that increased the price, but that is really nice. And I'm gonna keep that to use for something else. That is a really nice box. All right, so let's see what we got here. Of course, we have the headset, as you can see. Has the head strap, looks like that, pulls out. Obviously, this will come off here, like that. So the head strap looks something like that on it. The inside does have covers for the screens. And then of course outside you have your 4 cameras that do all your positioning determination. My understanding is this is also able to do some hand determination as far as where your hands are. So that would be pretty cool. I'm gonna see how that works. Yeah, there is a white surround here that looks like it gets pulled off, which I'm not gonna play with at the moment. I'll let that on there. I'll do that off camera. But that's the headset. And we have both controllers. Now I did say there's 2 AA batteries, so I'm assuming that they are in the controller port, and that I believe is it. Yep, so the battery's in there. They just have a pull tab to make electrical contact, so that it can be powered. And this is, I believe, Yeah, this would probably be your left hand. I'm looking to see if they're labeled. Oh yeah, it is. So there's an L. I'm kind of surprised it doesn't say L somewhere else on it though. But yeah, so this is your left hand. You got your 4-position hat. Got your Oculus menu button, your X and Y. You got a trigger button here and a side finger button here. And then of course the surround so that the head unit can determine the position of them in space. The right one is very much the same except for the other hand, obviously. So over here you actually have the Oculus button itself. You have another 4-direction, actually multi-directional hat, A and B button. There's also a small pad here that is different color than the rest, so I'm thinking that might be some sort of touch sensor, but we'll see. Same thing, trigger button and the side button, and obviously the surround again. So that's those items. This, the link cord, I'm not going to open up on camera because I don't think it's terribly exciting. What this does, for those of you that are unaware, is it allows you to plug into the, excuse me, the Oculus Quest and the Quest, well, the original Quest and the Quest 2. You can plug this in and then run it to your computer, and it will essentially let it function as a full Rift headset, and let you use the processing power of your PC to, from what I understand, improve your experience graphically. So that's that. I'm going to take this out of the way because, like I said, I'm not going to open that. We'll focus back in on the main pieces here. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so that opens up like that. Let me actually move this out of the way for now so you can see how this works. Another pretty neat made box here. Take that out. And this is all your information, your warranty, reference guide, that sort of stuff goes in here. It's a nice little pouch for that. If I can get it back in here. Come on. It's always something. There we go. So that's that. You got your wall charger, which is a USB-C style. And then you have a USB-C to USB-C cord included for charging as well. And this box again is another pretty well-made, neat box. That's that. So these are all the components that you're going to get if you buy one. So just a little bit of background on me and Oculus products. I bought a Rift, original Rift, the Christmas after they were released, and I've had that ever since. My son plays that a lot more than I do. I did not. The original Rift, it was an incredible experience for the first like 6 months or so that we had it, but I did not enjoy what they call the screen door effect, and also more than the screen door effect, just the resolution of the screens was really low, and it got to a point where I didn't want to really use it anymore just because of that. So the screens that are in this are supposed to be, well, I won't say supposed to be, they are spec'd to be much higher resolution. So I'm hoping that will improve that part of the experience. Also, these, if you look at weight, are much lighter than the original Rift. Even lighter than the current Rift S. These controllers are somewhat similar to the original Rift controllers, as I remember them. Obviously, the original Rift was black, and this one is a whitish gray color. Also, the original Rift had a rubberized harness for the head, which was really nice. Actually, really nice. I liked it. It made a lot of sense because you have the wires that have to go to the PC, and they were able to be routed along the headband, so that was pretty cool. But like I said, it was kind of heavy. Did not like the resolution. The screen door effect obviously was noticeable. Although back then I didn't really know that's what it was. I just kind of noticed something was kind of weird, and have obviously since then learned what that was. So this headset, as it was released, is a 75 hertz headset, according to the documentation on Oculus's site. There is going to be a firmware upgrade soon after release, which, from my understanding, is going to be pretty soon, to get it to 90 hertz, which is kind of the standard refresh rate, and that cuts down on both, basically the effects of that screen dooring, because you have a higher refresh rate of the screens. Oh, so I think I might have mentioned it, but I just want to make sure. The Oculus Link cable allows you to hook this headset up to a PC just like you would with the original Rift or the Rift S, and allows you to essentially use it as a Rift headset. You can play all Rift games. I'll take that back. I shouldn't say all. To the best of my knowledge, you can play Rift games, all the Rift games with this. I don't know that for a fact. Something interesting has come out for these is, if you're unaware, they have a thing called cross pay, which means that if you buy the game on either the Rift store or the Oculus app for the Quest, that you automatically get it on the other store. So if you have both headsets, you can automatically use the software for either headset, whichever one you're using at the time. Obviously you have to download it to set it up and what have you, but the game will be basically attached to your account, kind of like it is with Xbox and the PlayStation Store. Also, they have a type of crossplay, which is somewhat interesting, because there's actually, the way I see it, two different styles of crossplay. You have a crossplay where other VR headsets can play with you. There is at least one program that my son has been in that he's talked to people that are in PlayStation headsets. So there is a cross-play functionality that way. There's also a cross-play functionality between the Oculus Rift headsets and the Oculus Quest headsets. And I believe that cross-play ability is much more prevalent in the software than what you would see with the cross-play between headsets. But as I said, I haven't used it yet, so I'll report on that more when I figure all that out and do a follow-up video on the actual performance and enjoyment of using the headset. So I believe that is it. If you guys have any questions, comments, please put them bottom of the video. Please subscribe and like if you would. Ring the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.